Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to a brand new video. You're watching Shoe DIY, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to loosely lace your Puma Speedcats. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to loosely lace your Speedcats for that cool, relaxed look. So let's get started. I'm going to put that on there so you can see what we're aiming towards, and we're going to be lacing the right shoe. To start, we're going to be putting the lace down through that first hole on the outside of the shoe. So just bring your lace a little way into the shoe, and then when you put your lace across the front, just pull it through your fingers to get rid of any twists. And the end of the lace is going to go down through that opposite hole, first hole. So again, just pull your lace a little way into the shoe, and then to make sure that our laces are the same length on both sides, put your ends together and pull up like that. So now I've got that first bit done, I'm actually going to put a couple of pairs of socks into the shoe to pad them out. And the reason for that is because it makes it feel like your foot's inside the shoe, it broadens it out, and then you can get those nice broad loose laces. So we're going to take that outside lace, we're going to bring it across the shoe to that second hole on the inside. Keep it nice and relaxed, don't pull it too tight. And then take the inside lace across to that second hole on the outside. Keep that lace in your hand and bring it across to the third hole on the inside. And take the inside lace across to that third hole on the outside. Now you've got your 3 loops, you can decide whether you want to use the loop in the tongue or not. I have used it. This tongue sits really well in the shoe, so if you wanted that uninterrupted look, then you could get away with not using it, but I'm going to use this one. So I'm just going to thread the lace through, keeping it nice and flat, and down through that opposite hole. Then take your inside lace, thread it through the loop, sitting on top of the lace that's already in there, keeping it nice and flat, and down through that opposite fourth hole. Then keep that lace in your hand and bring it down through the 5th hole on the inside of the shoe. And take the inside lace across to the opposite 5th hole. And then, having gone down through all the holes as you go up the shoe, we're now going to swap, and the outside lace is going to go out through the opposite hole from the back to the front, which will leave you a little loop. And then the inside lace again comes out from back to front in the opposite hole. Just make sure that lace is coming out sitting the way I like it. And then those 2 loops are going to go behind the tongue. So just push them down either side, and you'd wear those soft laces on top of your foot, which is quite comfortable. And there you've got your loosely laced Puma Speedcats. And now I'm going to show you what they look like on feet. So there you have your Puma Speedcats loosely laced. I hope that was helpful. If it was, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, and for future videos, subscribe. Until the next time, thanks for watching.